When I got a decent coverage of blue spots, I thought to myself, let's check it with the dial test indicator. So I did. So this episode I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened to my straight edges. Hello and welcome back to Do Metal Stuff. I placed the dial test indicator on my straight edge and then I swing it right to left all the way through, front to back, and then I noticed some weird stuff happening. Got myself a pet. And I will put this away. What I found was the thing was twisted that way and this way. So I made this 3D drawing in Fusion to show exactly what I was meaning by the curvature in the material. And as you can see, it was high on the two outer sides, one on the back and one on the front side, so it has a mighty twist in it. It was not mighty, but it was clearly readable from my DTI. So I needed a other solution. Scraping the 3-plate method with the parallels isn't doable, and here's why. So you might have seen some videos about the 3-plate method, and they all have A, a round piece, or B, a square piece. And this is not square, maybe over this side, but it's longer than it's wide. You get the point. So I only can rub it this way and not this way. And that's why this method isn't suitable for creating this. There's a video online by the man called Robrenz. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce your name right, but I will leave a link in the description and he will explain more about the 3-plate method in the rectangle shape I did. So please take a look at his video before you start doing what I did. So what did I do? I bought myself a stone. This is precision grinded granite flat stone surface plate, and then I rubbed it over here, and maybe you can see it a little bit. I try to get the reflection of the high spots. Where are you? Somewhere here. You can see it. This side's high. You can see. And the middle was high. And if I can get this on this side, sorta kinda. Focus your fuck. You can see it over here. So it twisted. But now I've got this nice surface plate. It's already blue. Cannot get it off. But that's okay. I will use this to be as a reference. This is the measuring, how do you say this? Report, maybe, but it's 400 by 400 millimeters according to this standard, and the precision, the highest spot is 2.4 mu, as you can see, and this is a precision stone with the 00. It's the highest in this standard. So the most accurate one. I'm happy with it. And the way I now do this is I blew the straight edge up and smear it out so I've got a light coverage of blue, and then I rub it over the stone, because if I put the blue on the stone, it go in the stone and not on the straight edge. Weird, but this is the easiest way. Then I use the reflection to see where the eye spots are, because they are blank steel, and then I cut those away. And that's what I did here. As you can see, I need to remove those shiny spots, and they're all over the thing, but so this is just one big blur. You can see some. So I'm still not done with these. I've been scraping a bit. This is past number 5 I've done, and as you can see now, all the shiny bits are the eye spots. I'll take you down the whole length of it, and yeah, here you don't see that much, but it's there. Maybe if I do this way around, it's easier because of the sunlight, but nope. Here you can see it. Got a decent coverage now across the whole length. All the shiny spots are the high spots, so I think I'm sort of done with this one. It's a little bit darker here, but for the most part it's due to light fall. But as you can see, there are many light spots, shiny spots. Maybe this way. Come on, give me the glare. So how many spots per square inch do I need on this thing? If someone knows, please put it down in the comments. Would be nice. Okay, let's take off all this fly rust and give this thing a coat of paint. Took off all the rust. I'm degreasing this now and give it a coat of paint. As you can see, I done the paint job. It's just a ground base paint. The real color will be done later when I check the air compressor. But first I need to look into the air compressor, because somehow it spits out water. So put this on my to-do list. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a bit. Please take a look at the video I mentioned earlier this video, and see you in the next one.